How to change device you're sharing location from on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Find My application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on your profile. You can view your location information over here. As you can see, the Share My Location feature is currently turned on. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Devices. Then, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner to add another device. Select Add Other Item. And then, follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer to make your item discoverable. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily change device you're sharing location from on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.